In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the golden ratio emote, aka the mewing emote here in Clash Royale. But before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment, and I can help you out further down there. But if you want to get the golden ratio emote, first things first, go ahead and open up Clash Royale. And once you are in Clash Royale, go ahead and swipe to the left twice to get on the shop. And once you're on the shop, scroll all the way down and you're going to see an option for that golden ratio emote right here. It is currently available in the shop for $4.99 or about $5 USD. And it looks like it's going to be a limited time emote for the next 21 days and 11 hours. But the thing is, they always keep these emotes in here for longer as well. So just keep that in mind. It's probably going to be in here a lot longer than the next 21 days. But on top of that, if you don't want to pay this $5, you can actually get the emote for completely free by swiping over to the left and going to your collection and going into your emote collection just like so and scrolling down until you do find the mewing emote within here. You're going to have to scroll a decent amount because there is a ton of emotes. But once you do find the emote, simply go ahead and select it and then favorite it just like so, and it's going to add it to your wish list. And what this does is makes it so when you open up 3-star lucky drops, you have a higher chance of getting the specific emote that you want on that wish list. It's not guaranteed, but it does increase the chances, so it's worth doing. But yeah, that's how you can get the golden ratio or mewing emote here in Clash Royale. If you guys do have any questions, once again, ask them down below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.